You know how some people have party tricks? Well, mine is that I have double jointed pinky fingers. Hey guys, my name is Nick McCready's and I'm the person behind all the photos and videos you see here on the Scran Line. I thought it might be a good idea for you guys to get to know me a little bit better, so here are 10 things you might not have known about me. My real name is not Nick McCready's. My first name is actually Nick, but my last name is a little bit hard to pronounce, and so I thought McCready's, which is my mum's maiden name, would be easier for people to pronounce online, and a lot of people still mispronounce it. About 5 years ago, I worked in a cupcake bakery for about 2 years, and I learned everything I know about baking while I worked there. But I don't actually think of myself as a professional pastry chef. I think of myself more as a designer who's a baking enthusiast. About 7 years ago, I was in the Navy. So here's a photo to prove it. And yes, that is actually real. So I went into the Navy as a Navy cook. I was in recruit school for 7 weeks before I realized that I'd made a huge mistake and I discharged, and I'm glad I went, and I'm also glad that I left. So my background is Greek and I can actually speak Greek. So I used to be able to speak it a lot better than what I can now. Do you guys want me to say something? It's not going to be great. To onomamou είναι Nikos. I don't think that's right though. You know how some people have party tricks? Well, mine is that I have double jointed pinky fingers. So I can do that with my pinky finger, it doesn't hurt. I can do it with the other one too. My secret guilty pleasure is the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Okay, so here's how it happened. Okay, Anthony, my partner, loves trashy reality TV shows. I used to work in the kitchen while he was watching, and I would make fun of it in the beginning, but then as I caught on to all the stupid storylines, it's just so stupid, but so entertaining. We actually saw Teddy from Beverly Hills at Runyon Canyon last year, and Anthony has the photo to prove it. My favorite color is mint green. My fear is that I am horrified and petrified of heights. I can't even see someone up high on TV. I feel like I'm gonna fall. My favorite song is Dance in the Dark by Lady Gaga. The last thing you might not have known about me is that, well, you couldn't know this because I don't really tell people, but I read Harry Potter every night before I go to sleep. I've read it about 13 times. So that is 10 facts you might not have known about me. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, let me know in the comments down below, and if you have any other questions that you want to know about me, leave them in the comments and I'll answer.